This is Stephen E. Arnold. DarkCyber is our new series of videos about online access related to the dark web, cybercrime, and lesser-known internet services. This week's story lineup includes our new feature, Cyber Shots, a new spin on hidden and illegal streaming video services, and the UK's report on the digital gangster, Facebook. Now our March 5th, 2019 program. This week we want to fire off 4 cyber shots. Late in 2018, Voyager Labs, a vendor of law enforcement software, articulated its vision for better artificial intelligence. In February last year, the company's then CTO, Israel J. Klein, introduced the term authentic AI. Competitors largely ignored the phrase, which was designed to shift from the hyperbole surrounding artificial intelligence to a more practical explanation of what AI could actually deliver. Well, the phrase has not been ignored. A Chinese company adopted the name authentic intelligence. Perhaps authentic will become a favorite bit of jargon when talking about the world of smart software. The Sai Group, a firm engaged in the use of social media to influence people's thinking, has quietly gone out of business. This company specialized in covert social operations. An expose in the New Yorker magazine provided alleged facts about the company's operations, including an assertion that Joel Zamel, the founder of the Sai Group, asked Newt Gingrich, a Washington insider, to introduce Zamel to Jared Kushner. Sai Group has allegedly been linked with the now-defunct Cambridge Analytica. Both firms have gone out of business. The Microsoft Store allegedly harbors applications which allow bad actors to co-opt a user's Windows 10 computer. Symantec identified more than a half-dozen apps which allegedly perform cryptocurrency mining on the unknowing Windows 10 user's machine. Now, these apps are supposed to be the handicraft of DigiDream, OneClean, and Findoo. The vetting process for Microsoft and other app vendors may need to be re-examined. vContact, a Russian version of Facebook, was attacked by one of its users. The reason? A cybersecurity company called Baghosi reported a bug to the vContact system administrator. The social media firm ignored this well-meaning report for more than a year. Frustrated with the delay, Baghosi then released a worm on Valentine's Day designed to slow down the vContact system. vContact, once it discovered the worm, blocked Baghosi's accounts. Baghosi then responded to question about its cyber attack on vContact by saying, "Happy Valentine's Day." In 2018, Google increased its blocking of URLs which stream pirated content like movies and popular television shows. Now, these illegal services are not in the Google Index. Nevertheless, online streaming of pirated content is exploding, despite Google's filters and the efforts of law enforcement. The FBI and the Motion Picture Association of America are cooperating in an effort to shut down pirate streaming sites and stop the sale of preloaded set-top boxes which deliver streaming content. A new lawsuit filed against Omniverse One World Television is designed to stop some streaming services from sidestepping copyright holders' rights. A new report from Group IB, a cybersecurity firm based in Moscow, reveals how widespread and lucrative illegal video streaming can be. Group IB's research makes vividly clear that bad actors have adopted the same technology used by Apple TV, Google YouTube, and Netflix to stream illegal content. Group IB explains that these sophisticated content delivery networks provide bad actors with a number of revenue opportunities. These range from affiliate deals for the illegal content to subscriptions to services which deliver illegal content and advertising, often by illegal online gambling firms. First-run movies, popular television shows, and live sporting events form the backbone of the content streams. An illegal streaming operation can be managed from Russia, where an origin server, replica servers, and edge servers are set up in other countries to deliver low-latency content worldwide. Group IB examined the content available on more than a dozen illegal streaming services and counted more than 300,000 movies and television programs available to customers. One site offering illegal streaming under the brand Moonwalk had more than 33,000 first-run movies in its library. The streaming video flows from the pirate's content delivery service at a commercially acceptable speed of 400 gigabits per second. The Group IB report asserts that bad actors in Russia are responsible for streaming almost 80% of the pirated movies available from these sites. When law enforcement shuts down one data center and its illegal streaming operation, the pirate centers spin up a new service under a different domain name in a few days. The URLs for these services are communicated in online forums and member-only encrypted chat communities. The financial benefits of running an illegal streaming operation are sufficient to make the $1 million per year infrastructure costs palatable. By eliminating the payments to copyright holders, the margin for an illegal streaming operation is robust. When live soccer or other sporting events are streamed, some viewers will want to bet on the outcome of these matches using unlicensed online gambling services advertised in the stream. With many illegal streaming operations based inside Russia, enforcement and legal action are expensive and difficult. Some ISPs may be coordinating in order to neutralize site blocking services in return for an extra payment from the illegal streaming service. Net-net, illegal streaming is a growing threat to copyright holders, and there's no easy remedy available to law enforcement at this time. In mid-February 2019, the British government released a report about Facebook called Disinformation and Fake News. The principal finding was that Facebook is, according to the British study team, a digital gangster. Now, the use of data collected without the knowledge of the average Facebook user is detailed in a series of examples in this document. The report reveals information about the actions of Cambridge Analytica, Aggregate IQ, Cambridge University's Psychometric Center, Strategic Communications Laboratories, and Henley and Partners, among other companies. The report's tone makes it clear that the British government resents Facebook's refusal to cooperate with the British government when officials summoned Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, to answer questions about the company's data policies. The conclusions to the report can be summarized in 2 words: regulations and fines. The most interesting single page in the document is a photo reproduction of a resolution of an international grand committee. The implication is that Facebook will become the target of enforcement authorities and regulators in Europe, Brazil, and Singapore. Mark Zuckerberg is, it appears, as close as one can come to being named a criminal in England. You can download a copy of this 110-page report at the URL shown on your screen. For more DarkCyber news and information, read our new DarkCyber weblog called DarkCyber Annex. You can find these stories at the URL shown on your screen. This is Stephen E. Arnold logging off.